Okay guys, good evening. My name is Eric and welcome to another episode of Parrot English. And tonight I'm going to talk about the Kernel of the Bible, chapter 14. And the chapter 14 is about the way Christ builds His church. Although we may have the riches of Christ, it is possible to have them merely in an objective way. The riches may simply be the riches and just not have anything to do with us. To know the riches of Christ objectively is one thing. To enjoy them subjectively is another. Buying grocery is very different from eating prepared food. We must learn how to eat all the aspects of Christ revealed in the Gospel of John and the other books of the Bible. Christ is the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and the end, the all in all. How profound He is, how we're inclusive. Nevertheless, as profound as He is, Christ is for our enjoyment. The way to enjoy the riches of Christ is by eating, and the way to eat is by calling on the name of the Lord. Experiencing the riches of Christ by calling on His name. About the unfortunate many aspects of the riches of Christ reveal that the way to eat the riches is by calling on the name of the Lord. This episode even opens with the matter of calling. The second verse of chapter 1 says, "Unto the church of God, which is at Corinth, to them that are sanctified in Christ Jesus, called saints, with ours that in every place call upon the name of our Lord Jesus Christ, both theirs and ours." This book was not written to those who study, but to those who eat, that is, to those who call on the name of the Lord. Okay guys, it was all for tonight. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to continue watching more videos about me, you only have to subscribe for more videos every Thursday, because now I'm uploading a new video every Thursday. See you next Thursday. This was Parrot English. Bye bye.